I am Gabriel Ermita Rosales from BE 1101. The word calculus comes from Latin meaning small stone because it is like understanding something by looking at small pieces. Differential calculus cuts something into small pieces to find how it changes, and it is a systematic algebraic method to deal with small changes in the object's properties. Calculus can be used in media, for example, the photography. It helps us to know how or what position you are going to make to take better quality pictures. You can also make adjustments to improve the image.
Hi, good morning. I'm Cyrus B. Matalog, and now I will discuss to you how is calculus can be applied in real life in terms of technology. First, calculations like all logarithms, radius, circles, derivatives can be used to measure the parts materials in making technology to make it accurate, balanced, and functional. In software, mathematicians use calculus to find information about changes to a system. For computer science, we use calculus for general problem solving for applications and simulations. For example, it can create program solving in integrals and derivatives. Calculus provides the method for organizing and structuring information in applying technology for the engineers to produce systematic, reproducible, and transmittable knowledge. Although it may not always be obvious, we actually use calculus quite often in our daily lives. How is calculus used in technology? Mathematicians use calculus to find information about changes to a system. For computer science, we use calculus for general problem solving for applications and simulations. For example, it can create program solving integrals and derivatives. Although it may not always be obvious, we actually use calculus quite often in our daily lives. Various fields such as engineering, medicine, biological research, economics, architecture, space science, electronics, statistics, and pharmacology all benefit from the use of calculus, although the average person isn't solving different or integral calculus problems daily. We are using technology and equipment developed through the application of calculus in almost every aspect of our life.
Good day everyone, I'm James Matthew C. Bendicio, and I'm here to discuss on how we can apply calculus to nature. We can apply calculus to nature by seeing the limits of set on population of animals. If we have function that describe the number of deer in population versus time, we can analyze how population will grow with time. Because of the limited resources, population usually follows something called biological growth model. Biologists also make use of calculus in many applications. They use calculus concept to determine the growth rate of bacteria, modeling population growth, and so on. Perfect shapes like square, circle, and cubes can be solved using geometry and algebra concepts. But in nature, everything is not in a perfect shape like mountains, volcanoes, trees. Suppose you need to find the area of an irregular shape. With the help of calculus concept, you can find it easily. And lastly, by using calculus, we can have the ability to find the effects of the changing condition on a system, like the weather. For example, in the atmosphere, we have changing temperature and changing pressure. So by using differential equations, meteorologists can indicate and predict weather for our benefits.
Hi, I am the Catalan from B1101 and today I will discuss on how calculus can be applied in real life, especially in business. Finance, business, and money are one of the most important things we need in order to survive in this world. Business is where price, cost, supply, and demand are connected or related to one another. As a buyer, you should know how to calculate or count the money in payment or its exchange. While as a business owner, calculus is very important, especially the graphs and curves to determine or show if you earn or not. Calculus allows you to determine a profit by providing an easy way to calculate the marginal cost and marginal revenue. Moreover, it can also be used to study the supply and demand curve. We can say that calculus is very useful in many areas of business such as finance, market research, control system, supply chain management, and many more. Here is the video clip showing how calculus can be applied in real life, especially in business.
Hello, I am Jen Rose Fahino from BE 1101. Have you ever asked yourself, how can we use calculus in medicine? If that's the case, I am here to talk to you about it. Let me start by saying that medicine is the field of health and healing. Nurses, doctors, and a variety of specialties make up this group. It covers a wide range of topics including disease diagnosis, treatment, and prevention, as well as medical research and other aspects of health. And besides several other uses in biomedicine, calculus is used to assess blood flow, cardiac output, tumor growth, and population genetics. In the discipline of pharmacology, calculus is frequently used to identify the most effective dosage forms that maintain the drug's dissolving rate over time. Let me introduce to you the Noyers-Weider equation. The dose rates are calculated using this equation. The drug's concentration throughout time must be tracked in order for doctors to prescribe the correct dosage of a drug and give a treatment to us. Example like take 2 capsules twice a day. This keeps you from overdosing or underdosing. Without drug specialists in the pharmaceutical industry using calculus, we would not have labels on medication that provide instructions for dosage uses. I would also like to add that the first mathematical application in medicine field is the use of calculus to determine the blood flow in an artery or a vein at a given point in time. Overall, calculus is useful in different aspects of our life, especially in medicine.